at the start, the support was, obviously we met with Adam at the time. Adam went through the whole process. Adam came out to each site. He sort of had a little look, he scoped. Then other people from the university, I believe, came. They were looking at like plant rooms. They were looking at, what type of utilities we're using and what would be the most benefit. So it was at that point, that's when we chose solar. So that within that setting, there's no gas. It's just electricity and water. So for all heating and also all our power is all electric. So it was advised that would be the most beneficial and to go down the solar route. And since going down that solar route at that site, our bills have been massively reduced, and also it's looking like the payback of that investment it will be done within 12 months. So that was a huge success, and it was only from the support that we received and being pushed into a certain direction of what type of solar and what type of renewable was best for our business, and that's what we've done, which is huge. We then went and applied again, which was for our Aintree site. Aintree site's got a huge roof space, so that was quite a big project. So that was in the plus 25,000 pot. So that was where it went out to tender. Putting something out to tender was quite new to me, so I learned a lot about how you do that. And again, that was all support from the team. But we've also got a smaller project at our Prescott site as well. So 4 sites with our roofs full of solar, making huge reductions in our electricity bills and our utility bills, but also making a huge impact on the environment.